tale of two villages. In a verdant valley surrounded by towering mountains, there were two villages named Harmony and Discord. Harmony Village was known for its peaceful atmosphere, where people of different backgrounds lived together in unity and respect. Discord Village, on the other hand, was marked by constant conflict and division among its inhabitants. One day, a wise traveler passing through the valley decided to visit both villages to understand their ways. As he entered Harmony Village, he was greeted warmly by the villagers, who invited him to share a meal and stories. He noticed people of various races, religions, and cultures living together harmoniously, respecting each other's differences and celebrating their diversity. Impressed by the peaceful coexistence in Harmony Village, the traveler asked an elder about their secret. The elder smiled and said, "In our village, we believe that differences enrich our lives. We respect and tolerate each other, understanding that unity is strength." Curious, the traveler journeyed to Discord Village next. Upon his arrival, he was met with suspicion and hostility from the villagers, who eyed him with distrust. He observed that the villagers lived segregated lives, divided by prejudice and intolerance towards those who were different from them. Seeking answers, the traveler approached a troubled-looking villager and inquired about the discord in their community. The villager sighed and said, "In our village, we fear what we don't understand. We lack respect and tolerance for those who are different from us, leading to constant strife and conflict." Dismayed by the contrast between the two villages, the traveler realized the profound impact of respect and tolerance on the harmony of communities. Determined to bring change, the traveler returned to Harmony Village and shared the wisdom he gained from his journey. Together, the villagers devised a plan to help their neighbors in Discord Village understand the importance of respect and tolerance. They organized cultural exchanges, where villagers from both communities shared their traditions and stories. They worked side by side on community projects, bridging the divide with empathy and understanding. Discord Village began to crumble, replaced by a newfound respect for diversity. In time, Discord Village transformed into a place of harmony, echoing the peaceful coexistence of its neighbor. And as the valley reverberated with laughter and friendship, the traveler departed, leaving behind a legacy of respect and tolerance for generations to come.